A loose or worn steering feel can quickly take the confidence out of every drive, especially when you rely on your Jeep for daily travel or long adventures. This power steering lower shaft coupler kit is designed to restore precise steering response and dependable control by replacing the original equipment component with a durable, OE-style solution. From the moment it is installed, the difference in steering stability and feedback is noticeable, helping you feel more connected to the road again. This complete kit includes the coupler, protective boot, springs, and coupling nuts, providing everything needed for a proper repair without hunting for additional parts. Built as a direct fit replacement, it installs cleanly in place of the factory unit, maintaining original alignment and function. The tight-fitting boot is intentional, designed to protect internal components from dirt, moisture, and debris, which helps extend the service life of the steering system. Manufactured to OE-style specifications, this coupler kit is engineered to match factory dimensions and performance standards. It is built for drivers who want dependable steering without unnecessary modifications. Whether you are addressing steering play, vibration, or wear caused by age and mileage, this replacement helps restore smooth and predictable handling, keeping your vehicle safe and comfortable to drive. Backed by a limited 5-year warranty, this kit offers added peace of mind and long-term value. In some cases, the product may arrive in Omex ADA packaging or carry an Omex ADA label, even if it is produced by a trusted independent supplier. This approach allows consistent availability while maintaining quality standards across the product line. Customer feedback highlights solid construction, proper fitment, and responsive customer service, reinforcing confidence in the purchase. If you are looking for a practical and cost-effective way to bring your steering system back to proper working condition, this power steering lower shaft coupler kit is a smart choice. Click the product link in the video description to check compatibility and current pricing, and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on more trusted replacement parts and useful Jeep upgrades.